Good morning, students. In previous video of this chapter, I told you 12.1 exercise from NCERT, and I told you what is algebraic expression, various types of algebraic expression, monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, and polynomials, and coefficient also like and unlike term that I told you. Monomial means an algebraic expression which contain only one term, that is monomial. An algebraic expression containing two terms is called binomial. An algebraic expression containing three terms is called trinomial. An algebraic expression containing four terms is called quadrinomial, and an algebraic expression containing more than two terms, that is polynomials. 12.1 exercise is completed. In R.S. Agrawal, chapter number 6, it is a algebraic expression. Means in NCERT you will see chapter number 12, algebraic expression. In R.S. Agrawal, that is chapter number 6. So first exercise of R.S. Agrawal, exercise 6A. Why I am telling exercise 6A after first part? Because 12.1 exercise we will read together. Because we have of this exercise given in this exercise also question. Whatever question you have done in 12.1 exercise, maximum question same, process is same, concept is same, only digit is changed. That's why I am telling you exercise 6A. After that I will start 12.2, then I will tell 6B exercise, 12.3, 6C exercise, like this, okay? So now first question of exercise 6A, add the following expressions. First one, add the following expression. The expression is 5x, 7x and minus 6x. In first question given 5x, 7x minus 6x. Okay, add means plus. 5x, 7x minus 6x. So add the following expression. Add means comma place we will write plus sign. 7x plus minus 6x. Okay. 5x plus 7x. 12x plus into minus 6x. 12x minus 6x equal to 6x. It is the answer. Add the following expression. Question is given this 5x, 7x, minus 6x. The comma place we will write plus sign because add means plus. 5x plus 7x plus in bracket minus 6x. 5x plus 7 is 12x plus into minus 6x. 12x minus 6x equal to 6x. Okay. So it is a first question. Now second part, note down this. It is given fraction form. 3 by 5x, comma 2 by 3x, comma minus 4 by 5x. Clear? Add the following expression. So 3 by 5x, 2 by 3x, minus 4 by 5x. So add means plus. 3 by 5x plus 2 by 3x plus minus 4 by 5x. Okay? 3x by 5. 2x by 3 plus into minus 4x by 5. So it is in fraction form. First of all, we will take LCM. So LCM of 5, 3 and 5 equal to 15. How 15? Find the LCM. 5, 3 1 या 3 5. 5 1 या 5. 3 5 ja 15. Clear? LCM is 15. LCM is 15. 5 divided by 15. 5 3 ja 15. 3 3 ja 9 plus 3 5 by 15. 5 3 ja 10. 5 3 ja 15. 3 4 ja 12. Okay. 9x plus 10 is 19x minus 12x 15. 19 minus 12 7 by 15x. Okay, see 3 by 5x 2 by 3x minus 4 by 5x 3 by 5x comma 2 by 3x comma minus 4 by 5x. The comma place we will write plus sign 3 by 5x plus 2 by 3x plus minus 4 by 5x. Okay, so 3x by 5 plus 2x by 3 minus 4x by 5. LCM of 5 3 and 5. So 5 3 5 plus LCM is 15. LCM is 15. We have written LCM. LCM is 15. The denominator divided by denominator. 5 divided by 15. 5 3 is 15. Whatever answer is coming, the 3 multiply with numerator. 3 3 is 9x. 3 divided by 15. 3 5 is 15. 5 2 is 10x. 5 3 is 15. 3 4 is 12x. So 9x plus 10x. 19x minus 12x. 19 minus 12 equal to 7. 7 by 15. Yes. Okay. So here is so many part is given. One more part I am telling you. Note down this. This is fifth part. X minus 3y plus 4z comma y minus 2x minus 8z comma 5x minus 2y minus 3z. Clear? X minus 3y plus 4z comma y minus 2x minus 8z 5x minus 2y minus 3. Add. So x minus 3y plus 4z comma place we will add plus y minus 2x minus 8z plus 5x minus 2y minus 3z. Okay, so you see here x 3 times y 3 times z 3 times. So you see which is same variable. The same variable you write together. This is x minus 2x plus 5. Okay, minus 3y plus y minus 2 plus 4z minus 8z minus 3. Clear? X minus 2x plus 5x minus 3y plus y minus 2y plus 4z minus 8z minus 3. Clear? So x we have written together, y we have written together, z we have written together. Means whatever is same variable we have written that is together. After that you do plus minus whatever sign is given that you will do. X minus 2x and minus x plus 5x. Clear? Minus plus minus plus minus, the 3y minus plus y minus 2i minus 2i, okay, plus 4z minus 8z, so minus 4z minus 3z. See, 2x minus x equal to x. Minus sign why we have written here? Because 2 is greater. That's why we have written minus. Plus 5x same. Minus into plus minus 3y minus y. 2y with minus sign because minus 3y is greater. At minus 2y same we will write. Plus into minus minus 8z minus 4z. Minus 4z minus 3z. Minus plus minus 5x minus x 4x. Minus minus plus minus 4y. Okay? Minus minus plus minus 7. Clear? Clear? So it is an answer. Question given x minus 3x plus 4z, comma y minus 2x minus 8z, comma 5x minus 2y minus 3z. Clear? So x comma place we have written plus sign. Why? Because questions add the following expression. That's why we have written comma place plus sign. Comma place plus sign. Clear? After that we will search in this expression which is same variable. Whatever same variable is given, that variables we will write together. So x we have written together, y we have written together, z we have written together. Then whatever sign is given, plus sign is given, plus you will do, minus sign is given, minus you will do. Clear? After that, this much answer will come. Clear? Now second question, subtract. Clear? In first question add is given, in second question subtraction. Note down this. Subtract. Second one, minus 8xy from 7xy. Clear? Minus 8xy from 7xy. Clear? So minus 8xy from 7xy. In subtraction, if from what is there, so after from number first we will write, before from number second we will write, or from place we will write minus, means like this, 7xy minus 8xy. Clear? So 7xy minus plus 8xy, or 8 plus 7. Why we are doing plus? Because variable is same, then we can do 8 plus 7, 15xy. If variable is not same, so that is the answer. Clear? Second one is given, x square from minus 3x square. X square from minus 3x square. Clear? X square from minus 3x square. Solution, x square from minus 3x square. So minus 3x square minus x square. Minus 3x square. Firstly we will write, from place we have written minus x square. We have written here minus plus 4x square. Why we have written here minus sign? Because between 3 and x, which is greater? 3x is greater, that's why we have taken minus sign. When you will compare minus 3x square and x square, so you see which is greater, and that front of sign, which sign is given. Whatever sign is given, that sign you will take. Clear? It is a second question. Note down. Rest part you can do. Question number 3. Subtract 2a minus 3b plus 4c from the sum of a plus 3b minus 4c, 4a minus b plus 9c and minus 2b plus 3c minus b. So see, in the question number 3, subtract 2a minus 3b plus 4c from the sum of a plus 3b minus 4c, a plus 3b minus 4c, comma 4a minus b plus 9c, 4a minus b plus 9c, 4a minus b plus 9c and minus 2b plus 3c minus. Means question is subtract 2a minus 3b plus 4c from the sum of a plus 3b minus 4c, 4a minus 4b plus 9c and minus 2b the 2b plus 3c minus a. Clear? To subtract this from the sum. So first of all we will find the sum of this and this. Clear? So first of all solution, sum equal to a plus 3b minus 4c, comma 4a minus b plus 9c and minus 2b plus 3c minus a. Clear? So sum equal to a plus 3b minus 4c plus 4a minus b plus 9c plus into minus c minus 2b plus 3c minus a. Clear? So comma and place we have taken plus sign. After that a plus 3b minus 4c plus 4a minus b plus 9c plus into minus minus 2b plus 3c minus c. Clear? When plus sign we enter the bracket, in bracket whatever sign is given, that sign there is no change. Clear? After that you search it in how much variables is same. That variable you write together a plus 4a minus a. Clear? Plus 3b minus b minus 2b minus 4c plus 9c plus 3c. Clear? We have written together whatever variable is same. Plus minus a cancel. Okay? Yani here 4 plus 3b minus b minus 2. So plus into minus minus 3b minus b plus 2b minus 2. Clear? Minus 2c plus 9c plus so 9 minus 4 5c plus 3c. Clear? Plus 2b minus 2b cancel. The rest is 4a plus 8c. Clear? C. A plus 3b minus 4c, 4a minus b plus 9c and minus 2b plus 3c minus a. Clear? So we have done plus a plus 3b 3b minus 4c plus 4a minus b plus 9c plus in bracket minus 2b plus 3c minus a. Clear? After that use a plus 3b minus 4c plus 4a minus b plus 9c plus into minus. See, why we have written here minus? Because where bracket will be open, so plus into minus 2b plus 3c minus a. After that, in this line you see which variable is same, that variable we will write together. A plus 4a minus a plus 3b minus b minus 2b minus 4c plus 3c plus 9c. Clear? तो प्लस a माइनस a कैंसिल, a माइनस a कैंसिल, 4a is left, plus 3b minus b, 2b plus 2b minus 2b कैंसिल, minus plus minus 9 minus 4 5, 5c plus 3c, so 4a plus 8c is it. Means when we have find sum of these expressions, so we get 4a plus 8c. तो in question subtract 2a minus 3b plus 4c from, in these expressions place we will write 4a plus 8c. Clear? Clear to you? So after from first we will write 4a plus 8c from place minus 2a minus 3b plus 4c. Clear? So 4a clear? So 4a plus 8c, 4a plus 8c minus in the bracket sign will be changed, minus 2a minus minus plus 3b plus minus plus minus 4c. Clear? See, minus into plus, minus 2a minus minus plus 3b minus plus minus minus 4c. Clear? So 4a minus 2a plus 3b or 8c minus 4c plus 4c. It is an answer. One more time I am explaining. It is a question sum. First of all, we will find sum of these expressions. Okay. So sum of these expressions we have written here. Clear? A plus 3b minus 4c plus 4a minus b plus 9c plus minus 2b plus 3c minus a. Clear? After that, a plus 3b minus 4c plus 4a minus b plus 9c plus into minus 2b plus 3c minus a. Then a plus, we have seen here which is same variable, that's we have written together. So a plus 4a minus a plus 3b minus b minus 2b minus 4c plus 9c plus 3c. So a plus a minus a cancel, 4a is left, plus 3b minus b, 2b minus 2b cancel, plus 5c plus 3c, 9 minus 4 5c plus 3c. So 4a plus 2b minus 2b cancel, plus 5 3 8 8c is left. Clear? So in this expression place we can write 4a plus 8c. Clear? Question is telling subtract 2a minus 3b plus 4c from 4a plus 8c. We know that after from number first we will write from place we will write minus, then 2a minus 3b plus 4c. After that 4a plus 8c minus enter in bracket minus plus minus 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 plus minus 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 plus minus. So 4a minus 2a plus 3b because b variable is not given any other, plus 8c minus 4c plus 4c. It is the answer. Clear? So question number 4 you can do like this. Question number 3 like question number 4. Question number 5 and 6 I will tell you. Question number 5. Subtract the sum of this and this from -3. Note down this. Question number 5. Sum of 8a minus 6a square plus 9 and minus 10a plus 8 minus 10a minus 8 plus 8a square from -3. Okay, 8a minus 6a square plus 9 and minus 10a minus 8 plus 8a square from -3. Solution. First of all, sum equal to 8a minus 6a square plus 9 and minus 10a minus 8 plus 8. Here the sum 8a minus 6a square plus 9 plus minus 10a minus 8 plus 8. Clear? And place we have taken plus 8a minus 6a square plus 9 plus enter in the bracket plus into minus minus 10a plus into minus minus 8 plus into plus plus. Clear? After that, see which variable is same. 8a minus 10 minus 6a square plus 8a square plus 9 minus. Clear? So 8a minus 10 minus 2a minus plus minus 8 minus 6 plus 2a square 9 minus 8 plus 1. It is a sum of these expression. From subtract is asking. So subtract minus 2a plus 2a square plus 1 from minus 3. Clear? So minus 3 minus in bracket minus 2a plus 2a square plus 1. Clear? Minus 3 minus enter in the bracket minus minus plus 2a minus plus minus 2a square minus plus minus. Clear? Minus minus plus 2a minus plus minus 2a square minus plus minus 1. Then 2a means 2a minus 2a square minus minus plus minus 4. Clear? It is the answer. Clear? Again I am telling you, subtract sum of 8a minus 6a square plus 9 and minus 10a minus 8 plus 8a square from -3. So first of all we will do sum. We will find out the sum of these expressions. The sum of these expressions 8a minus 6a square plus 9 and minus 10a minus 8 plus 8a. Clear? Then 8a minus 6a square plus 9 and is plus in first bracket these expressions will be like. After that 8a minus 6a square plus 9 plus enter in the bracket plus into minus minus plus into minus minus plus into plus plus. Clear? Then you see which is same variables. 8a minus 10 minus 6a square plus 8a square plus 9 minus 8. 8a minus 10 minus 2a minus plus minus 8 minus 6 plus 2a square 9 minus 8 plus 1. In these expressions place we can write minus 2a plus 2a square plus 1. So subtract minus 2a plus 2a square plus 1 from minus 3. minus 3. First we will write from place minus. After that this expression. Then we open the bracket. Minus into minus plus. Plus 2 minus into plus minus. Minus 2a square. Minus into plus minus minus. The 2a minus 2a square. Minus into minus plus. So 3 plus 1 4. But here you will write minus because 3 is greater than 1. Clear? Now question number 6 is the last question of this exercise. Simplify. Note down this. Question number 6. Simplify. In first bracket 5x minus 9y minus minus 7x plus y 5x minus 9y minus minus 7x plus y. Clear? Simplify. Clear? First of all, we will solve the bracket. 5x minus 9 minus into minus plus 7x. Clear? Minus into plus minus 1. Clear? See, 5x minus 9y. Same we will write. Before the bracket, minus sign is there. When minus enter the brackets, in bracket whatever sign is given, that sign will be changed. Minus minus plus, minus into plus minus. C which is same variable, write together. Minus 9y minus y. 5x plus 7 12x. Minus minus plus minus. Okay? Second part, note down this. Second one, x square minus x minus 1 by 2 x plus x minus 3 plus 3x. Clear? X square minus x minus 1 by 2 in bracket x minus 3 plus 3x square. Clear? So first of all we will solve bracket. X square minus x minus 1 by 2 x minus 3 plus 3x square. Clear? So x square minus x minus x minus minus plus 3 minus plus minus 3x square upon 2. Clear? By 1 upon 2 enter in the bracket with minus sign will be changed. Minus plus minus, minus minus plus, minus plus minus. Clear? Upon 2. Okay? Then here is no denominator, means we can write 1. Clear? The LCM of 1 and 2, 1 and 2 equal to 2. Clear? The LCM is 2. Clear? So 2 divided by real x square minus x. Minus 2 under 2. X plus 3 minus 3x square. Clear? 2 in bracket minus x square minus x minus 2 under 2. No changing x plus 3 minus 3x square. 2x square minus 2x. Clear? 2x square minus 2x. Wait. Here I am writing Clear? 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 3 minus 3x square upon 2. 2x square minus 3x square. Write together. Minus 2x minus x plus 3 upon 2. 2x minus 3x minus x square upon 2. Clear? So minus 3x plus 3. Clear? So we can write minus x square by 2 minus 3x by 2 plus 3 by 2. Clear? Understand? 2x square minus 3x square written together, minus 2x minus x written together, plus 3. So 2x minus 3x minus x square minus 2x minus 2x minus plus 3x minus 3x plus 3. So we 2 denominator of x square also 3x also plus 3. So we have written different minus x square by 2 minus 3x by 2 plus 3 by 2. It is an answer. Okay? So this exercise is completed. Okay? Thank you, student.